Finding solutions to linear systems using table. Standard. Understand that solutions to a system of two linear equations in two variables correspond to points of intersection of their graph, because points of intersection satisfy both equations, which means makes both equations true. In this lesson, students will be able to use table to find solution to the linear system. What is a linear system? Linear system consists of two or more equations. For systems of linear equation, a linear system is a set of two or more linear equations that use the same variable. Solution is a set of values for the variables or a pair that makes all the equations true at the point of intersection on a graph. Rate of change is slope. In a word problem, we look for the words per, each, or ratio. The slope always have two units. Starting value is the y-intercept on the graph, the initial value. And in this problem, in this lesson, it will be the flat fee or shipping cost. A system of linear equations can have one solution, no solution, or many solutions. Systems of linear equations. There are 5 ways to solve systems of linear equations. One is using table, other one is by graphing, by substitution, by addition, and by multiplication. Two cable companies offer different rates. Xfinity offer $80 setup fee. So that will be our starting value before we have any monthly charges, and a rate of $70 per month. Dollars per month. That's the rate of change, that is the slope. And Frontier offer a $160 equipment fee, so that's the flat rate we are going to pay. That will be your starting amount or the y-intercept on the graph. And a rate of $60 per month. Again, the word per. Dollars per month, that will be your slope, your rate of change. What is the starting amount for each company? So the starting amount for Xfinity, we want to know the flat fee we are going to pay before we start paying monthly charges. So for Xfinity, is $80. And for Frontier, it's the equipment fee we are going to pay before we pay any monthly charges. $160. Now says, what is the rate of change for each company? So how much you are going to pay each month? For Xfinity, you are paying $70 per month, and for Frontier, you are paying $60 per month. Xfinity is $70 per month. Or it can be written as this. Or it can be written like this. And for Frontier, it was $60 per month. Or you can also see as this. So whenever you want to type a fraction, you click on the math type. Click on the math type. If you want to type an equation or a fraction. So you want the fraction here. It's $60 per month. Okay. Next question says, in how many months will the cost be the same? What is the cost? And the other question was saying, if you plan to move in 9 months, which company is cheaper? Explain why. Now you have to complete this table in order to answer those two questions. For flat fee, for Xfinity is $80, and for Frontier is $160. Now we know the rate of change for Xfinity is 70. So we are going to add 70 to 80 to find the next term, or to find the payment for the total cost for the first month. So 80 plus 70, and just press and enter. It will do the calculation for you. Same thing for Frontier. We have 160 plus 60. It will do the calculation for you. Okay. Now to find the second month, we are going to add 150 plus 70 plus enter. For Frontier, same thing, 220 plus 60 plus enter. And the next one, we keep adding 70. To find the next one, we keep adding 70. And for Frontier, we keep adding 60. 90 plus 70 will be 360 for the fourth month, and for Frontier, for the fourth month, you have 340 plus 60, and for the fifth month, for Xfinity, we have 360 plus 70. For Frontier, you have 400 plus 60. Just press enter, don't need to type equal sign. So for Xfinity, the sixth month is 430 plus 70, which gives you 500. For Frontier, it's 460 plus 60, which gives you 520. Now for the seventh month, we say 500 plus 70 for Xfinity is 570. For Frontier, we'll say 520 plus 60 is 580. For the eighth month for Xfinity, we'll say 570 plus 70 gives us 640. And for Frontier, we'll say 580 plus 60 gives us 640. You can see at the eighth month, it's 644 both. You can see before the eighth month, before they were equal, Xfinity was cheaper and Frontier was expensive. Before eighth month, Xfinity was cheaper, Frontier was expensive. And let's see what happens after 8th month. So 8th month is the solution to this system. 8th month is the solution to the system. For the 9th month, for Xfinity, we have 640 plus 70, 710. For Frontier, we have 640 plus 60, which is 700. Now for Xfinity, for the 10th month, we have 710 plus 70, which is 780. And for Frontier, we have 700 plus 60, which is 760. You can see after the 8th month, Frontier is cheaper. But before 8th month, Xfinity was cheaper. So if you're moving 9th month, the cheapest plan you can take is Frontier. Now we want to write the equation in y equals mx plus b form. We know our Frontier, the rate of, for the Xfinity, the rate of change is 70. So we say y equals 70x, which is m, the rate of change is m, plus the flat fee, which is $80. For Frontier, the rate of change is 60 plus the equipment fee was 160. That's our equation. So the equation for Xfinity is y equals 70x plus 80 and x plus 80, and for Frontier it's y equals 60x plus 160. Sorry about the error here, it's 160 not 1600. Now in how many months will the cost be same? So looking at the table, we said it's 8 months. So in 8 months the cost is same and it's $640. We can also, since it's a solution to the system, we can also write as 8, 640. If you plan to move in 9 months, which company is cheaper? Explain. We'll say Frontier.